Printing in Lambda. In Lambda, it is possible to print in two modes. You can print with the Lambda code, the window, which appears here, or the graphical display. Let's see how. As a reminder, Lambda processes mathematics in a linear manner for reading with the Braille display, with Braille symbols, or for listening with speech synthesis. For comprehension and sharing with teachers and classmates, there are no Braille symbols in the dialog box, but Lambda code writing, with the use of some glyphs as well, which precisely retrace the same structure that appears in Braille. It may be interesting then to print this format. Print it out, or save it as a PDF file, for example, for a paper delivery, as perhaps classmates do for correction or consultation by the teacher. To print this file, you can access the print options in the menu. For example, the page setting, the preview, the actual printing, by opening the Print tab, to which you can also access the Ctrl+P buttons. It may happen that, perhaps in a non-teaching context, you wish to deliver a mathematical expression written in the traditional graphic mode. It is possible to print out the graphical representation, which is accessed with the F4 key. Once inside this type of representation, simply select Print from the File menu. In this case too, it will eventually be possible to save it in PDF format, for the usual uses. I would like to remind you that in addition to using the mouse, you can also close the graphic representation window with Alt+F4.